Hey there, I hope you're doing fantastic. Today we're going to be talking about EQ processing, but specifically the most important control on your EQ. Hi, my name is Tyson, and I'm a mastering engineer here at Dinosaur Dog Mastering, and today we're going to dive into EQ and how to EQ properly using the most important function of your EQ. Before we dive into that though, I do want to let you know I have the Ultimate Mixing Checklist available for download for free. The first link in the description, you can pick up that free guide to help you get better, faster mixes. Okay, with that said, let's dive into the content of how to EQ properly using the most important EQ tool. Let's dive right in. We got a vocal here off of just a very simple contemporary Christian worship song, and this was recorded live, so the vocals are pretty raw and we've got a lot of work to go, but we're just going to be focusing on the EQ initially. So I'm going to pull up my EQ here. So I'm going to let you listen to just the vocal here really quick, and then we'll get started to EQ it.
You say no amount of untruths can separate us now. I will reach out.
Okay, so we can tell it's really, really muddy as is, and so we definitely want to fix that. There's definitely some low end too that we probably just want to cut out. We don't need that information down there. And it sounds like a little bit kind of nasally, and so I might be kind of focused in this 2K region as well. There's a big boost here. That's probably just some sibilance. May not have to worry about that one. Let's focus on those issues, and we'll EQ this really quick.
You say no amount of untruths can separate us now. I will reach out. I reach out and you find me in the dust. You say no amount of untruths can separate us now. I will reach out. I reach out and you find me in the dust. You say no amount of untruths can separate us now. I will you say no amount of untruths can separate us now.
Okay, so we still have a long ways to go, but that's probably good for now. What we're going to do now is we're going to actually volume match this to ensure that we actually like the change we did, because I took out a lot of energy right here. I'm definitely going to have a decrease in volume, and so that could impact my decision whether I actually like the change of this or not. So let's go and pull up my level meter. And this is just the stock level meter in Logic, and I changed the level to RMS rather than peak volume. I want the RMS, which is the average volume. It's closer to what the humans actually hear volume as. We don't hear the transient information necessarily. We hear the average volume over the course of 50 or so milliseconds. So what we're going to do is level match this so that it's the same RMS value. So here's without. I'm going to see what the peak RMS is, and then the same thing with it on, and then we'll level match it.
You say no amount of untruths.
Okay, so it looks like it's 26 basically.
You say no amount of untruths.
Okay, so we got 2.7. Should be about matched there.
You say no amount of untruths.
Okay, so now we know we have the same volume before and after with this vocal. So at this point, we can actually A/B it at a very detailed level and know that we're not being tricked by things that are either louder or softer based on the EQ moves that we did. So let's do that really quick. We're just gonna A/B it and decide which one we like better.
You say no amount of untruths can separate us now. I will reach out. I reach out and you find me in the dust.
Again, the most important thing when you're EQing is to avoid tricking yourself into thinking you made the right decision when you actually didn't. And the number one way to do that is to ensure that you're gain matching everything before and after you make any changes, and then you can A/B it at an actual objective level. I hope this is helpful. Make sure that you're using this gain knob and gain staging everything as you're going through your plugin chain, because it's definitely going to impact you in making better decisions inside of your mix. Thanks for watching. If you found this at all helpful, then make sure you subscribe, because I release videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.